Hello, thanks a lot for stopping by How to Cook Great. Now if you like what you see, there's over 3,000 other cooking videos on our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment and I'll try and get back to you. Okay, let's get on with this one. Hello, how you doing? So today what we're going to make is a nice winter vegetable stew. It's getting cold out now, and for all you vegetarians and vegans, I think this is a beautiful one. I love this. So I've got a nice little mix of like 6 or 7 vegetables in there. You can use whatever you like. Get in the fridge, see what you've got left over, use it up. Tomato based, garlic, beautiful. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So what we're going to take a look at first are the vegetables that I'm using. This is my 6 selection I've got here. So they're about 2 cups each. I mean, you can play around with it a bit. I've got some turnips there, potato, bell peppers, zucchini or courgette, carrots and eggplant. Like I say, roughly about the same, about a couple of cups each. And yeah, you could use anything you want. Celery, you could get some mushrooms in there, other vegetables, entirely up to you. Okay, so we've seen what I'm using. Let's look at some essentials. Okay, so what I consider to be some essentials is 1 can of tomatoes. That was a plum whole tomato. I just crushed it up roughly with my hand. And then some fresh tomatoes. I've got 4 regular sized ones there. 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 cup of onions, and then the herbs that I'm using today, I've got a little bit of sage, some thyme, and some bay leaf. Let's get moving. Okay, so we're going to need a large pot here, and in there I've got some oil. I'm using olive oil, and I've put about 3 or 4 tablespoons in. We're going to first drop in that 1 cup of onion. The heat is on, and it's on just above medium. 1 tablespoon of garlic. Now let this go just for 3 minutes. Then we're going to start adding our hardest vegetables first. Okay, that's looking great. Now I'm going to pop in my spices here. So I've got sage. Now you might not see sage usually like that. That's off the, with the twig as well. Thyme and bay leaf. So I've got 1 bay leaf there. That's probably equivalent to 2 teaspoons of sage and 2 teaspoons of thyme. Now, of course, try tarragon, marjoram, basil, rosemary, all things like that. Make a nice kind of winter stew, I think, that sort of stuff. This combo I really love. What I'm going to do now is grab my carrots and drop them in. Everything's quite sort of chunky. I'm also going to go in with my turnip. In that goes. And these are all equal amounts, roughly. And you can really play around with it. Like, don't be shy to be adding more carrots if that's what you've got or you like, for example. Okay, 3 minutes, again, on this medium heat or slightly above medium. Keep it moving. We're going to build it and build it. Okay, just 3 minutes. Next up, I'm going to go with the potato. In that goes. Little loose one there. And then we're going to add the fresh tomatoes. Now I've cut them quite chunky. Cut it small if you want. We want them to break down. This time we're going to go for about 4 or 5 minutes. Again, give it a nice stir every now and then. We're well on our way. Fantastic. Let's get some salt and some black pepper in the mix. For me, I'm just going to add my eggplant. That depends. If you're following me, then obviously this is correct, but celery and that would have gone in a bit earlier on. Mushrooms, for example, will be going in much later. We're now going to add that 1 can of tomatoes. When I say 1 can, I mean like a 400 ml regular size kind of can. And again, let's go for another 5 minutes. Looking absolutely fabulous. Right, next up, I'm going to drop in some parsley. Got a nice big handful there of chopped parsley. And I've got some vegetable stock here, just like 2 cups of veggie stock. If you don't want to use stock, like me, or you don't have stock, you can just use water, no problem. Now, what we're going to do, we've still got 2 veg to go. I've still got these guys to go, but I don't want to drop them in just yet. like I said, if you were using mushrooms, they'd be kind of considered in that group as well. What we're going to do is we're going to stick a lid on this and we're going to let it go just for about 7 minutes. All right, let's get the lid off there. Get some steam out. That's looking really beautiful, really lovely. Okay, I'm ready now for my last vegetable, so I'm going to go, again, roughly equal parts zucchini, bell peppers. Now, I don't mind a little crunch on my ones, so I'm going to go down to a nice simmer now, and I'm going to let that go. Just for about 4 or 5 more minutes, I think. You might want to cook it a bit longer. I mean, like I said, I like crunch on my last 2 vegetables there. Beautiful. Like I say, if you wanted, you might want to cook that just a little bit longer. For me, no thanks. Little bit more salt. Little bit of black pepper. Now, the stock I've used also is a little bit salty. But yeah, you can adjust salt and pepper exactly how you like. That's a beauty. Let me get that on a plate. Lovely stuff. Okay, and there you go. Really beautiful. Add what you like in terms of vegetables and even the herbs and spices. That's up to you. Maybe a little bit of chili in there. But that's really simple, nice winter, warmer vegetable stew. Vegetarian, healthy and vegan. Hope you enjoyed that. I'll see you soon. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.